Let's now talk about the relationship between computers and semantics and pragmatics, as computers play an important role in contemporary semantics and pragmatics. In the beginning, I'll talk about the relationship between computers and linguistics in general, and I'll explain in which ways computers may be helpful or are helpful in understanding linguistics or its further development. In contemporary learning and teaching, computer has assumed a very important role. It's a part of every good class in teaching, and therefore the knowledge of language and linguistics is no exception. In linguistics, a computer is closely associated with the teaching of various aspects, including phonology and some kinds of meanings also. Two major disciplines which relies heavily on the use of computer it may be seen as computational linguistics and computer-assisted language learning. Computer-assisted language learning may be seen as the search for or the study of various computer applications which may be useful for the teaching and learning of language, second language or any language. CALL overall covers many areas, and it's a broad term for various applications or activities, and it would be very difficult to define it as a single idea or in a single constitution. CALL has come to encompass various areas of language teaching, including material development, various applications, then technologies, pedagogical theories, and various modes of instruction. Now, computer, with the help of internet, has become one of the major sources of knowledge dissemination and teaching. We find every day hundreds and thousands of videos of teaching are being uploaded on internet with the help of computers, and they are being accessed to and understood throughout the world, again with the help of computers and internet. Computational linguistics, on the other hand, is an important part of linguistics, and it looks at the language from a computational perspective. Let's see what it is. It's concerned with the study of computer systems for understanding and generating natural language. It's more tilted towards the understanding of computer systems, which would help us in the generating and the understanding of natural languages. Computers and machine readable texts are an important development in recent times of human history, and they have made us good enough to access various kinds of text in an easy and accessible way. The process of dictionary meaning in this regard has also gone a dramatic change because of this machine readable text, because now the dictionary making is quicker and is easy in many ways. It is largely owing to the advances in computers and the availability of machine readable text